This tiny, colorful candy looks so innocent, but inside it hides a dark truth factories try to keep secret. It starts with the blood of sugarcane.
Is ordinary. This ordinary sugarcane, pulled from the dirt in just minutes, becomes these jewel-like colorful candies you love.
You eat these candies every single day, but have you ever wondered the real story behind them?
In the heart of tropical farms, the journey of candy begins with harvesting sugarcane. Skilled hands extract the raw sweetness from nature's bounty.
Pull it tight now, make sure it's secure.
The harvest is gathered, ready for its voyage to transformation.
Only the finest stalks proceed, ensuring pure beginnings. From earth to industry, the raw material sets off. The raw cane reaches the mill, where industrial magic awaits.
High-pressure water jets blast the freshly harvested cane, removing dirt and debris before the milling process begins.
The clean cane is fed into massive rotating knives and shredders, chopping the stalks into short pieces known as bagasse.
Sweet juice is pressed from the cane, the first taste of candy's origin.
We have a heavy load on the east side, keep it moving.
Copy that, increasing speed now.
Raw sweetness enters the transformation heart of the candy factory.
Filter integrity looks good on line 3.
Confirmed. The clarity is excellent.
Purity ensured, the sweet base advances to transformation.
As the temperature climbs past 140 degrees Celsius, the syrup reaches its peak caramel color, ready for the vacuum pan refinement stage.
Inside the vacuum pan, the pressure drop allows for concentration at a lower temperature.
The cooling mixer transforms the thick mass into a vibrant, creamy fondant. Workers add precise flavor concentration.
The sweet core is now ready for shaping into colorful candy dreams. The sweet core is now ready for shaping into colorful candy dreams. Colors dance and merge, forming the iconic candy patterns loved worldwide. The candy hardens into jewel-like perfection, ready for final artistry. The automated color and flavor injection system ensures a consistent, high-quality product every time. Technology ensures every piece meets perfection standards.
From raw harvest to jewel-like treats, automation brings flawless consistency.
Palletizer running at capacity. Acknowledged. Maintaining speed.
From field to factory, the journey of candy reaches its stored perfection.
Once diverted from the main line, each batch is swiftly transported to our quality control laboratory for rigorous testing and analysis.
Every piece has passed the final test, ready for the world to enjoy.
Copy that. Dispatch. Pallet 7 nearing the dock doors now.
And this is how modern factories produce colorful hard candy from start to finish.
From Earth's sweet harvest to joyful treats in every hand.
Explore a world of vibrant flavors and fun. There's a colorful treat here for everyone in the family.
Thank you.
And this is how modern factories produce colorful hard candy from start to finish, bringing sweet joy to markets and homes everywhere.